Uh,
Are you American?
no, I'm not. I'm German.
Are you an only child?
No, I have brothers.
How old are you?
I'm 30.
Where are you from?
I am from Berlin.
May I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater.
When are your birthday?
June 1st.
Who are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Do you watch TV a lot?
No, I don't.
What the date today?
Today is May 1st.
What is your name?
My first name is Paul.
What is your username?
Surname, a
Surname.
family name.
Okay.
My surname is Brown. Surname वो फादर का नाम साथ रख दे तो उसको भी कहते हैं ठीक है?
What's your full name?
My full name is Paul Brown.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 7845197.
Are you at home?
No, I'm at work.
Are you hungry in the morning?
Yes, I'm hungry after my morning exercise.
What's your address?
24 Main Street.
May I smoke on here?
Yes, smoke here.
Smoke here.
No problem.
There is your passport.
Yeah.
Where is your passport?
Here is my passport.
What is your
Citizenship. I am German. ठीक है? Citizenship हमारी शहरियत ठीक है?
Do you keep a cat as a pet?
And a pet. I keep a cat.
Have you got a car?
I have got a small cheap car.
Are you coming to the party?
Yes, I hope so.
What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 7 o'clock.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I do.
Do you feel relaxed listening to music?
Sure, I feel like there are no more worries in the world.
What's your mother job?
She is a housewife.
Is there anything good on TV tonight?
Yes, there is a movie at TV at 8 o'clock.
Okay. Is there anything good on TV tonight?
Yes, there is a movie at 8 o'clock.
Why didn't she write to us?
I don't know.
How many houses have the
Hurricane
hurricane
destroyed.
destroyed?
Hurricane समुद्री तूफान समुद्र में तूफान नहीं आता सारे घर तबाह कर देते. The hurricane destroyed a lot of houses. हमारे यहाँ ज़्यादा फ्लड आती हैं. अमेरिका में ज़्यादा समुद्री तूफान आते हैं.
Will you have to meet for lunch tomorrow?
Would you like to meet for lunch tomorrow? Okay, sure. Let's do lunch.
इसका मतलब को तुम कल लंच खाने इस्तेमाल पसंद करो.
Would you like to meet? क्या आप मिलना पसंद करोगी for lunch tomorrow? कल
कब?
lunch के लिए. Sure.
Meet
Let's
tomorrow.
do lunch.
अच्छा, do you feel okay?
Yes, I do.
अच्छा, do you have any rooms available?
No, sorry. We are full. And booking full होगी.
अच्छा, have you ever on a race?
Have you ever gone a race? Yes, a few times. एक चांद एक पकड़ा.
Who's there?
It's us. यहाँ मैं ठीक है.
Would you like to go now?
No, let's wait a while.
Are the buttons
Button,
made of
plastics.
plastics?
Yes, the buttons are made of plastics.
Do you like cream
Cream cakes.
cakes?
No, I don't like them very much.
Does it rain a lot where you live?
Not much.
What floor do you live?
I live on 7th floor.
What professional
Profession.
profession would you like to have?
I'd like to become a doctor.
When are you coming back?
When?
When are you coming back?
I'll be back on Tuesday.
Now, are you going to Spain us usually this year?
Yeah. Very probably. ठीक है? आज हो सकता है बहुत इम्कान है.
Are you ready to order?
Not quite. I think we need a little more time.
Are your parents at home?
No, they are out.
Did you see the first night of the play?
I saw it on Tuesday.
Have you ever seen much such a
Butterfly.
butterfly?
Actually, I have it. I have seen it in my collection. I have it in my collection. ठीक है? उसने तितलियां इकट्ठी करी हुई हैं. ठीक है? तो उसमें एक ऐसी है.
Shall I spend my
Should I
present my
curriculum
vitae?
CB जिसे कहते हैं. Yes, you should present your curriculum vitae.
What do you do in your free time?
I read in my free time.
What's the weather like?
It's raining heavily at the moment.
When will you buy a new suit?
I will buy a new suit next month.
Who fell from the roof?
A small boy fell from the roof.
Who is that man?
I don't know. I've never seen him before.
Are they going to be at the meeting?
I suppose so.
Are you free tomorrow?
Only in the morning.
Can the planes take off in the fog?
Planes can take off in the fog.
Can we discuss it now?
Sure.
Do you enjoy
Spicy
food?
Yes, I do, especially on cold days.
Do you know
Megan? Yes, she is my friend.
Do you know Megan?
Yes, she is my friend.
Do you often receive letters?
I receive letters very seldom. Welcome.
Do you want to walk to the hotel?
I don't know. How far is it?
Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, can I help you?
Have a nice day.
Thank you. The same to you.
Have you paid the bill?
Yes, I have paid the bill.
Who are you feeling?
Like I need a vacation.
Who can I help you?
No thanks. I am just looking. दुकान पे जाते हैं लोग से how can I help you? ठीक है? नहीं कुछ नहीं मैं तो देख रहा हूँ.
How many students are there in the class?
10. There are 10 students in the class.
Is there a bus from
Downtown.
downtown to the airport?
Uh, yes, every 20 minutes. There is a bus from downtown to the airport. Okay. Yes, every 20 minutes.
May I see your ticket, please?
Yes, here it is.
Shall I take the red one or the green one?
Please yourself. Okay? You are somewhere.
What newspaper do you read?
I read the New York Times.
Shall I take the
Uh,
picture? What's so interesting about old car?
I find them dull. मुझे तो ठीक है.
What's the matter?
Everything is okay.
Will you be able to take a holiday this year?
We'll see. The king.
Can I help you? Do you need any help?
Yes. Do you have this in larger size?
Do you like the movie?
It wasn't bad.
Do you like the? Did you like the movie?
It wasn't bad.
Do you like
Clothing,
clothing made of
cotton.
cotton?
I prefer cotton to artificial fiber.
Do you like this movie?
It's my favorite movie.
Do you need medicine?
Sure, medicine would be fine, would be nice.
Do you smoke?
I gave up smoking last year.
Do you speak English?
I can speak English a bit. थोड़ी सी.
Does
Yannick.
Yannick know that you are going away?
No, I haven't told him yet.
Have you got a car?
Yes, I drive a sedan. Sedan जिसके दरवाजे साइड पर खुलते हैं, पीछे से बंद होते हैं, sedan.
He locking in
Courage.
courage. Is he not?
No, he is not a coward.
How do you look after your
Health.
health?
I go to the gym.
Is
Is it?
it cold today?
No, it is not. It isn't.
May I use your phone?
Sure, go ahead.
Was it a
Disaster.
disaster?
Disaster. तबाही. क्या बड़ा ही कम खराब हो गया, ठीक है, कुछ चीज गिर गई, was it a disaster? Not exactly a disaster, not exactly a disaster, but it didn't go very well.
What are losses
Losses caused
caused by the
inundation.
inundation?
Inundation, सैलाब के नीचे पानी, सैलाब के पानी के नीचे जो चीजें डूब जाती हैं उनको inundation कहते हैं. The inundation caused about $5 million losses. लोगों का तकरीबन $5 million का नुकसान.
What do you do in your free time?
I liked reading and relaxing at home.
What floor is your flat on?
My flat is on the third floor.
What is the largest
Continent.
continent?
The largest continent is Eurasia.
What kind of music do you like?
I like jazz.
What's the
Purpose.
purpose of your visit?
Five sites for sightseeing. This is, ये बड़ा अच्छा एक्सक्यूज है, आप हमारे मुल्क